Welcome to the Netiquette Next. We are here again with another amazing video, which is today we are going to create an account with TikTok on desktop. And I already have searched TikTok. TikTok is basically a social media platform. So we are going to start, and we have searched the TikTok, and we will be creating an account. But before that, we are going to introduce what is TikTok. TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create and share short videos. It was developed by the Chinese company ByteDance and was launched in September 2016. TikTok quickly gained popularity worldwide, especially among younger audiences. The app enables users to record and edit videos ranging from 15 seconds to 1 minute in length. It offers a wide range of creative tools, filters, effects, and music options to enhance the videos. TikTok's algorithm also personalizes content displays to each other based on their performances, making it highly engaging. So let's get started. We will be creating an account. So here is the option to sign up. We're going to click on the sign up. It is giving us three options: use phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. It is my desktop, so I'm gonna go with the third one, the continue with Google. It is working right now. We are going to choose this one, the official one. So here it is working. We are going to make the TikTok account. It is asking me when's your birthday. I have to choose the month, then the day I was born, then the year I was born. Here it is. It is asking me. Now I have completed all of three of them. Now it is asking me to go next. It is working right now. We have clicked on the next. It will be giving us more options. So it is giving us suggestions to choose our username. We can also write our liked username. So I'm gonna go with this one, and now I'm asking it to sign up. It is working right now. We have clicked on the sign one. Now it is in the face of. So here, when you will be creating an account on desktop, TikTok also has an app for Android. It was basically an Android application. You can download it from that, and there is difference between desktop and Android application. I will be slightly differentiating between two of them in the next video, but right now I'm going to tell you that this is the interface of the TikTok. Here, this is my account and its information, my profile. What I will be pinning will appear here. These are the settings. It is asking me to go with the English. Here is the feedback and the help, keyboard shortcuts, and we can change our mode. We can change it to dark or to light, and from this point we can log it out. Here is the inbox. People will be commenting and texting you if you are going to put some content on the TikTok. Here is the inbox. From this you can message people. From this point we can upload. I will be coming back to it after some time, after introducing the whole interface. Here is the search bar. We can search any content we like. Here, for example, I am asking for the natural beauty. Here it is giving us a lot of natural videos about the natural beauty. Here, likewise, we can see accounts, videos. We can go live. Here are the top videos which are on the trending about this content. For you, here we have a lot of content. They give us a lot of content. From this point, the people who follows you will be appearing here. Your account information will appear here, and from this point we can explore a lot of much more amazing content here. So we are going to, here are a lot of categories: dance and music, sports, entertainment, comedy and drama, ROs, fashion, lifestyle, pets and nature, relationships, society, and much more. Society, informative. It is also giving us to get app. The option is here. We can get app. From this point we can upload a lot of videos however we want. So we are going to upload a video. We can create videos with TikTok on Android application, and here we are going to upload our video which was already made. So here I'm gonna open it. It has opened, and from this point we can put the cover of our video. Here we can write the captions, we can allow public comment, and then here my video appeared here, and now I'm gonna post it. It is processing, it is uploading my video. We can upload videos 15 seconds up to 1 minute. That time span has can cover a lot of content actually. From this point we can view our file and we can upload another video as well. So we are going to see that we have uploaded a video which is gonna look like this. I have muted the video because it was a bit noisy. So from this point we can see our privacy settings and we can delete it. From this point we will be seeing how much people have liked our videos, how much people have commented us, how much have pinned us, and from these are the social media platforms this video can be shared on. From this point we can share to Telegram, Twitter, to Facebook, to WhatsApp, and to embed. So here is our URL with the URL of our video. Here we can add comments, we can like it also, people can report it, people can search another content. Here this is the sign, the logo of the TikTok. So here we go, we already have explored a lot of other things, and there is difference between the user interface for the Android TikTok app was designed specifically for mobile device and utilize a vertical layout optimized for touchscreen interaction. It offers a more streamlined and mobile-friendly interface, allowing users to easily navigate through videos, engage with content, and access various features using gestures and taps. However, the desktop version of TikTok, on the other hand, is adapted for larger screens and operates in a horizontal layout. It provides a more comprehensive view of content with videos displayed in a larger format. The interface is designed to be operated with the mouse or trackpad, enabling users to click on videos, interact with comments, and access additional features through menus and buttons. Hope to see you again in the next video. I will be explaining how we can create a video content for the TikTok, and we can put that on Android or here on desktop. That was for now. Thank you, be blessed, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel.